So as y'all saw, the power just shut out in my room. I don't know what necessarily happened, but it definitely did just mess everything up. So now I'm in my bathroom. Trying to finish my hair. But honestly, that just ruined everything. And I'm so hot. Oh, y'all just don't understand. That just blew everything for me, for real. Now we're going to take the hair down. Hold on, I gotta get a comb and back. And here we go. Yeah, this hair was very pretty. Even though I bleached it, made it through it. It made it through the struggle. It definitely looks green, but it's still pretty. Guys, this is the finishing look of the hair. This hair is also a 24-inch. It is straight hair, so that's why I look so bone straight right now. And y'all, I bleached this hair and everything. Y'all saw in my last video, I bleached it and everything, and this hair still feels bomb. Like, it still feels how it felt when I first took it out of the packaging. Like, not even kidding. Have I been having a shedding problem? No, not for the most part. I mean, I did get some hair out of it when I was, well, look, I got one strand right here. Yeah, y'all, that was the install on this wig. It took longer than normal because when I left, I actually ate. I ate and then I got back to recording. But I'm done now and it's 7:43. I probably started filming at like 5. Now I'm done. But yeah, everything about this hair will be in the description box down below. Don't have nothing bad to say about it. I already said what was good about it. If y'all would like to get this hair, I will leave the direct link to it if you need it. And I also have a coupon code that will be down below as well. I might put that on the screen. But yeah, that was this video, y'all. Make sure y'all give me a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell if you haven't already. Yeah, that's basically it, y'all. So I'll see y'all in my next video.